Why do new spacecraft still use historical designs? Imagine building a new car and deciding to use the same engine and chassis as a model from 20 years ago. It's because those designs have proven to be reliable and safe over time. The same idea applies to spacecraft. Many new spacecraft still relying on designs from the past because these systems have been tested in real missions and have a track record of success. When astronauts train, they learn how to operate systems that have been used in actual spaceflights, based on principles developed decades ago. These include how rockets generate thrust, which is the force that moves them forward, and how spacecraft stay stable in space. The basic ideas like carrying fuel and oxidizer, which is needed because there is no air in space, were understood over 100 years ago. These core concepts are still used today because they work well and are proven to keep astronauts safe. Many systems like life support, navigation, and communication have evolved from designs first used in the 1960s and 70s. Astronauts train on simulators that mimic these systems so they can operate them confidently during missions. Using familiar designs means astronauts don't have to learn entirely new systems, which saves time and reduces mistakes. It also makes training more efficient because the systems are well understood. Developing a completely new spacecraft from scratch costs a lot of money and takes many years. By building on existing designs, engineers can improve reliability and avoid unexpected problems. Even private space companies, which bring new technologies like reusable rockets, still incorporate many old design principles. For example, reusable rockets like the SpaceX Falcon 9 use familiar systems for guidance and control. The goal is to make space travel safer and more affordable, not to start from zero every time. For astronauts, training on these systems means they know what to expect and can troubleshoot quickly if something goes wrong. Mission control teams also have experience with these designs, which helps during emergencies. In short, new spacecraft still use historical designs because these systems have been proven to work, are less expensive to develop, and are familiar to everyone involved. While innovation is happening, the foundation of spaceflight remains rooted in principles that have stood the test of time. This approach helps ensure astronauts are well prepared and missions are more likely to succeed.